Today we're exploring Altimate Code plus Power BI Modeling MT Server for end-to-end data engineering and dashboarding, and the problem this is solving. Right now, data engineering and reporting are still slow. It takes time to move from raw data to insights, and by the time dashboards are ready, they are often just telling the story of yesterday. We wait too long for answers, and decision-making lags behind. This isn't the future anymore, it's already the present, and stepping back isn't really an option. Ultimate Code helps change that. It's an open-source agentic data engineering harness that gives AI agents 100+ deterministic tools for SQL, lineage, DBT, FinOps, and warehouse connectivity, all through natural language. I combined it with the official Power BI modeling MCP server from Microsoft and connected everything directly to a Microsoft Fabric workspace. If you want to follow along, just make sure you have Altimate Code and the Power BI modeling MCP server installed. Both are quick to set up. From there, I explored a sample budget dataset just by asking questions. The agent handled data exploration, built the semantic model, created relationships and measures, and generated a simple dashboard, all without writing a single line of code. This is a continuous loop from raw data, insights, dashboard. Check out the end-to-end steps. Once you install Ultimate Code, you're ready to go. Then make sure your Power BI modeling MCP server is set up correctly. After that, you'll see it available in the sidebar. For a quick test, just type in the tag, connect to Microsoft Fabric using Power BI modeling MCP server. It will take you through authentication. Just log into your Fabric account. Next, select the workspace and the semantic model you want to work with. Once connected, the agent will ask what you want to do: modeling, relationships, documentation, or analysis. In my case, I asked analyze this dataset and create a simple report. Show budget versus actual and variance. Highlight key insights, trends, and problem areas. Explain business impact. Give recommendations. Also create a short C-level summary. And that's it. Ultimate Code and the Power BI modeling MCP server worked together and built everything in under 5 minutes, from analysis to insights. You can even track everything live: tool calls, LLM requests, and decisions using the trace view. This is what agentic data workflows look like in practice.